Underfloor heating and wants the best screed. For us, we have one main contractor. His name is Ray and his company is Concrete Pumping Cork. Ray is fully certified and improved by the #1 product, which is Underfloor by McGrath's. Think concrete, we think key hands. And John, their main man, has just arrived. John is checking the quality and the consistency of their product, and that gives Sigma Homes a big peace of mind. Instead of having radiators on the wall, we've put all these pipes and we're going to make our floor our heating system. But it's the concrete screed that gets poured today is what really determines the performance and the output of the heating. When it comes to shower trays and wet rooms, we would strongly recommend not running your underfloor heating pipes in there. Why? You know that little trap in the shower is full of water for a reason, and the heat could evaporate it, giving you little smells. It's just not worth it. As a homeowner, your #1 responsibility is to choose and select the flooring for your home. Is it going to be a wood floor or is it going to be a tile? Ray will set his profiles up. At that point, there's no turning back. This profile plays a very special role in your home. In this project, we've gone for a 5mm tile. We allow 5 or 6mm for grout, so we're pouring our screed at 12mm. Once we lay down our tile, we've got that beautiful flush finish. What happens if you want to fit a wardrobe or a big window seat with underfloor heating? It's really easy, but you've got to plan ahead. In this area, we've simply removed any of the pipe work, which allows us just to have pure concrete. So it means we can drill in here, get a good fixing without any hissing sound. When it comes to your underfloor heating and choosing the right liquid screed, you've got to think of Underfloors from McGrath's. And when it comes to that big concrete pump, Ray is the man for the job. Don't forget to like and share our videos. I really hope you find them beneficial.